From Porter SPR.
Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Porter County in northwestern Indiana, Northern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 8 p.m. At 6:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Gary. Per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hammond, Gary, Portage, Merrillville, South Marisa, Clear, Crown Point, Southeast, Munster, Chesterton, Griffith, Dyer, St. John, Lake Station, Lakes of the Four Seasons, South Haven, Whiting, and Porter. This includes Indiana University Northwest, Purdue University Northwest Hammond, Valparaiso University, Indiana Motor Speedway, Indiana Dunes State Park, Porter County Fairgrounds, and South Shore Railcat Baseball. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.